Hello to all my fellow numismatic coin collectors out there. This is Numismatic King with another numismatic coin update. Today I actually splurged and really took advantage of these low silver spot prices on a rainy afternoon. And I have to share with all my fellow numismatic coin collectors out there my purchases that I picked up today. This is a sheet of 2014 pandas. 30 of them. Ended up being the last guy in Toronto to pick up these 5-ounce Lunar Horses. Got 5 of them. Along with, oh wait, here it goes, a 1 kilo Year of the Horse Lunar Coin. There you go, guys. The last one for sale that I snatched up. Paid a hefty premium on it, but it's worth it as these lunars continue to soar. And today is a really special video because came across these vintage rounds, the 200th anniversary of America, and the guy doesn't know which mint actually made these. However, there's Washington on it and President Nixon, I believe, commemorating 1776 to 1976, 200th year anniversary of America. And oh wait, there's more. 1 ounce Pap Suisse gold Dragon Lunar 1 ounce bar, assayed in its magnificent card right there by Pamp. But wait, there's more! And one of these suckers right here, the Privateer rounds, which I thought were pretty cool. So if you guys like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Numismatic King, signing out.